primes, so we did a prime so we're gonna add all the colours together. So we have green, add pink,
Sand in there.
brown, purple, pink, yellow. There's 2 yellows together.
I know.
Purple.
That's not purple.
Purple.
It's orange.
Look at all of these purples.
Should we open them one by one and see what they're like?
They're purple. I'll open them all for They're purple.
And we're going to do a mega slime.
Gina, do you want to open this? No, I opened it. Yeah.
We haven't done videos for a while, have we? Because we haven't been very well, have we?
I want to take this.
Okay. Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring.
So we haven't done videos for a while, have we?
No.
Why? Because we haven't been very well, have we?
No. And Mummy's ear is really hurting.
Yeah. And your tooth is growing now, isn't it?
Yeah. But no,
look at the slime. Oh
Oh.
my god, you opened it yourself.
Yeah.
That's a yellow one. Can you say yellow?
Yellow.
Good job.
Yellow buzz. Ah, look. Oh, I know. That
That's
one.
see-through.
Huh?
That is see-through.
I know.
Show me again.
I can
Matches
see
the
you.
jumper.
Oh, yeah. But it's lighter.
It's lighter. What we open now?
Probably it glows in the dark.
Maybe. I don't think it does glow in the dark. Oh, are you opening another one? Wow. What colour is that?
She can't have 3.
What colour is that, Gina? What colour is it? Pink.
Red.
Pink.
Pink and red.
Oh, you mixed it together. And now you made orange. You clever girl.
Oh, there's a stain. Look, I can see it into these. Orange, find it. Orange. How did she do that?
She mixed them together.
The nugget.
So you mix yours together. Let's see what they come out as.
I want to add some glitter.
Okay, but let's see what the colour first is.
I'm going to add all of them together. I want purple.
You want purple?
Yeah. I want purple.
Okay, she wants purple too.
Yeah, sharing.
Sharing, well done.
Yeah.
Oh, it opened.
Can we pour some?
Okay, so you put some in yours.
Orange.
God, that is really strong colour.
I know. Oh, my God.
Okay, so put some fruit this way.
She's doing that. That's why I can't do it.
It's okay, you can work it out, can't you? Can you figure it out? Oh, look at that.
I'll get my duck off.
Pink.
Boom.
Is that one gluey? No, that's normal slime.
I'm not glittering. I get
So we got blue sand, we got purple sand, we got yellow sand and green sand, which we can add into the slime as well.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with pink sand now.
Pink sand.
Yeah. With this blue sand.
Blue sand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you open this, please? Chicken wing, chicken wing, chicken macaroni, chicken in the morning, chicken macaroni. La 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 la. Sand! Look at my sand, boys and girls. Oh, going. Like a cat.
Let's see yours. Yours is very shiny.
Mummy, it's mine.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I'm gonna pour all of it. Oopsie! I'm gonna pour all of it this side.
Are you?
Yeah. Ooh, gooey! Gina, you're hitting my arm. She's hitting my arm, Mommy.
It's okay.
A mess.
A mess.
Okay, now look at my... Mamma mia, look at my pizza. What's my pizza?
You're very shiny, both of you are so shiny. You're gonna have to have a big bath in a minute. Oh, look at yours. Yours look like a snake, Gina.
I know. Mine doesn't.
Yours looks like you're gonna make a pizza, and her one looks like a snake.
Well, mine looks like a disco party.
Disco
or
party.
heart.
Oh. That's so clever.
Who likes mine? That's like a dun 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 dun.
I think we need to open more slime, don't you?
Yeah. That one is not ready.
That one's not ready. That's not a good one. Open this one now. Oh, they're so shiny. Show me again.
Both ours are pretty.
Really good.
Hear that noise?
Yeah?
Gina? Oh my sister. This is our final bit. Yeah, messy.
Messy. It is messy.
Let's stick it together and make a big
shiny.
one.
They're so shiny.
Gina, shall we do our final bit?
Okay, so you're going to mix them together?
No. No. Yes.
Yeah?
Okay. Are you ready, Gina?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Is everyone ready?
Yes.
Mix, mix, mix,
Mix,
mix,
mix, mix, mix, mix, mix, mix, mix, mix. Yeah. Gina, shall we put our slimes together? Yeah. No. I don't keep it a secret. Put your slime together. But I don't want to mix mine actually. Boys and girls, today we're not to mix our slimes. Ta-da!
Ta-da! Ta-da!
Watch this, boys and girls. If you add that into this, you make your own shape.
Really?
Yes, watch. Watch me, boys and girls. Boys and girls, watch and learn how you make this. We need to make these first. I know what. And then that's done. We do that. Look, boys and girls. Mummy, look. Mummy,
Mm-hmm.
look. Mummy, look at what I'm doing. That's done. Okay. Pancake Mia. Pancake Mia. You remember how we make pancakes, but we're not talking.
Are you whispering?
No.
You two are playing with me, aren't you?
No.
You two are cheeky.
No.
I think you are. So, we're not doing mega slime then. You're doing your own mega slimes. 2 mega slimes.
Yeah.
Gina's mega slime.
What did you want, mega slime?
Savannah's mega slime, which she's potting up.
So we're gonna do our mega slime.
Done. Right, well, I think this is a wrap for the slime.
Goodbye, boys and girls. See you later. No. I don't want to.